I decided to switch up my hair color. So I went to Sally's and I found the L'Oreal Technique Excellence High Color hair dye. And I chose the color Intense Red because I wanted a burgundy look. So this is my first time trying this product. I did not know what to expect, but I was excited for a little change. The associate recommended the volume 30 developer to mix with the hair dye, and she also gave me the 20 just in case. If I didn't use it, I could always bring it back, but I didn't take it back because I'm going to use it for something else. I decided to just switch up things because I just wanted a change. And if you have natural hair like I do, coarse hair like I do, and you're thinking of coloring your hair, then I hope that this video will help you to make a decision. All right, so I hope you enjoy. Alright, so I separated my hair into 4 sections in order to deposit the color evenly throughout my entire head. And my head is pretty big, so I had to do it that way. So I'm basically just using the brush to apply the product to my roots and partially down the shaft of my hair. And then what I did was add some extra because I had bought 2 boxes and I thought I would have only needed one, but I had to use both boxes, and the rest I'm just putting it like halfway down, and then once I'm done with the entire 4 sections, I come back through and I just use my hands to rub the entire color throughout the rest of my hair to the tips. So after my entire head was covered with the color, I let it sit for about 25 to 30 minutes. But I think I should have let it sit a little bit longer, but it didn't come out too bad. So this is what it looks like after I rinsed it out, and then I'm going to wash my hair. Whilst I was in Walmart, I was looking for a new shampoo and conditioner, and I found this Suave Rosemary Mint shampoo and conditioner. So this is my first time actually trying it on my hair, and I must say that I was pleasantly surprised at everything. It gave my hair a nice tingle. It really did wash out my hair very clean. It didn't strip my hair of its oils or anything like that, and it smells really good. And as far as the conditioner, it is definitely a wonderful conditioner. I always thought that Suave conditioners were pretty good, especially the natural hair care line, but this thing really caused my hair to be so loose and easily to be finger detangled. So this is after I dried my hair and everything, and now I'm just going to be doing some mini twists. And what I'm using is a comb, some Eco Styler gel, and good old blue hairdress conditioner. That's the oldie but goodie. And in this bottle is some conditioner and water, just to wet or dampen each section because my hair gets dry very quickly. So just want to say that the color does look good. Like I said, I should have left the color a little bit longer so that my ends could have gotten a little bit more red, but I don't think it's bad. That's actually the color that I was going for, nice burgundy, and I'm very, very impressed. So I will be using the L'Oreal Techniques High Color hair dye again for sure. So I hope that you will enjoy the remainder of this video. I'm just doing some simple mini twists, and that is pretty much it. Thank you for watching this entire video. If you have, I hope that you enjoyed it. I hope that you will leave a comment down below and let me know what you think of it, and if you are going to be dyeing your hair anytime soon, if it's not dyed already. Alright, God bless you, and if you are not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button and the bell notification to be notified of whenever I do upload any videos to this channel. And I will see you in another video very soon, the Lord willing. God bless you. Thank you for watching.